Hi guys, we have 2009 BMW 528 E60, and we have some trouble with the steering wheel cluster module, and basically it's this thing behind the steering wheel here, and we have another one over there that we need to replace right there. And it's not really a crazy difficult job. I think it's a fairly easy job to do at home if you have the right tools. But in order to pop you need to get the steering wheel out and then get the plastics out. So the steering wheel, to get out, you need to pop the airbag out. I already did, but I'll show you. It's not that hard. Basically it's held by these here, these metal pins right here, and the way they move is you need to go, there's a single hole underneath. It's right here, and the hole is right here. Yeah, it's right here. And what you have to do is you get a screwdriver in there, flat screwdriver. Sometimes I've seen people using Torx, like a T25 Torx or T30, and you get in here. I did it with a flat screwdriver using the flat surface here, with the flat surface like this, and you push it in, and basically when you push in here, you're going to be able to push this. The screwdriver is going to be able to push this metal frame, and you see how it moves. Both of them, this one moves in, this one moves in, so they will move in and they'll unlock the airbag. I'll show you. You can actually see this metal pin through the hole underneath. This is the hole underneath, and you can actually see the metal pin, the white thing. It's the metal, and that's the actual metal pin. And what you do is you put it in, and you can slide this flat screwdriver. You can slide it, as you can see it goes in. And I just used my touch to kind of see, or you can use a flashlight to actually guide the screwdriver. Just get it in and push in on this metal part. If it doesn't push right away, you can just kind of, okay, so if you try to push it, you actually have to push a little bit of an angle towards the middle of the steering wheel, so the angle is like this, and you're going to be able to feel how you're pushing the actual metals, the metal pin, the metal rod, or whatever you want to call it. And it's just right here. You see, there you go. This is how you push it, and it'll release on all of these. If it doesn't release, just pop the airbag back in and then do it again, and just try to do it again, because sometimes one side doesn't want to release that easy. So pop it back in, then push it again, and it will release.